What's going on, YouTube world? Austin Lewis here, coming to you guys yet again with another YouTube video. And as you guys saw in the title and in the thumbnail, this is going to be a very, and I mean very different YouTube video, but I think I'm extremely excited. Honestly, Coda Ray, we got Coda Ray over here in the back. I would love to do unboxing videos. I would thoroughly enjoy this because here's the reason why. For those of you that don't know, I am a Star Wars fanatic, but more importantly here, I love art. I am obsessed with art. Now, if you guys are brand new here, I usually do not do videos like this, but make sure and come subscribe. If you guys are still here as well, make sure and smash the thumbs up button on the YouTube video here because supposedly it helps the YouTube algorithm, and Lord knows we need some help on this YouTube algorithm. Let me just give you guys a little bit of backstory, a little bit of background here, okay? I love art. I always fell in love with art, and I'm talking canvases. I'm talking custom paint. I'm talking custom, stormtroopers, like these ones right here. I couldn't have just one of them. I had to have both of them. And as you guys see here, I can't just have one of them. I have to have two of them. And so what I'm going to actually be doing with this particular Star Wars helmet, it is literally a real life-size helmet. I'm actually going to be getting these custom painted, and then I'm going to put them either somewhere in the house, or I'm going to put them at my office somewhere in some sort of display case. So that's really like the background, honestly. That's the backstory. Most people are like, Austin, are you actually obsessed with Star Wars? So here's the actual answer. The answer is no. Like, I'm not obsessed with like watching Star Wars, but I am quite obsessed. Coda Ray would agree with me here. I am obsessed with the figures. I'm obsessed with what somebody can do on this Stormtrooper helmet, or I need to dabble into Darth Vader. I think that's probably gonna be my next one, actually, is the Darth Vader helmets. Or even just a Darth Vader 4-foot figure. I have a couple of those. I have some smaller ones, bear bricks and such. And so today I just wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys. Maybe you guys have some interest in watching this. Maybe you guys don't even care about unboxing a Star Wars Stormtrooper and you guys just want to see it and hang around to the very end of the video. Again, I'd certainly appreciate it, and I would love to see what you guys' thoughts are. When you were growing up, what was like your movie? What was your series? What were your superheroes or whatever it is? Just drop in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear what those were. So in this video, I'm literally going to be unboxing the Stormtrooper helmet. As you guys can see, I already have one pre-built over there, so I already ruined the video for you guys, but we're going to do it anyways, and we're going to start. I actually got this on eBay. I like to make a lot of bids on eBay. It's actually kind of cool. And that is how I got not just one Stormtrooper, but two Stormtroopers. I won 2 bids. Lucky me! And here we go. This actually got delivered by an Amazon delivery truck. It was not in an Amazon package, but it got delivered by an Amazon delivery truck. So I've never experienced that. Maybe you guys have. Drop in the comment section down below. I've already built one of these before. So I already kind of somewhat know what it is to expect, but literally this is what it looks like when it is in the box. Now obviously none of the pieces are put together. You literally have to essentially build it, and that's exactly what I'm going to do, but not great packaging, obviously. Here's the front of the Stormtrooper. It actually literally is a helmet, so like this can actually, there's speakers down here. And this right here, ladies and gentlemen, allows you, I'll just pull it out and give you an idea. This like literally allows you to put it on top of your head and rock and roll, okay? Now, ladies and gentlemen, do I look like a Stormtrooper? Chances are probably not, but by the end of this, I'll look like a Stormtrooper. Here's the last piece. This happens to be the back, actually, is what it looks like. I'm going to get rid of this box. So the actual size of the Stormtrooper is about 12 inches by 12 feet wide. So 12 inches high, 12 feet wide. Of course, this is for ages 8 and older. Luckily, I'm 8 and older. But it's quite simple, quite easy. It just goes through step 1, step 2, step 3. And then step 1, step 2, and step 3 when you are adjusting the strap, making it tighter for it to actually fit. And then of course, as you guys can see on the back here, it literally allows you to put batteries. This actually allows you to put batteries in it. Just so you can, let's see if I can get this off. Not even gonna try to get it off because I don't want to break nothing, but let's get to building this thing. It's gonna be pretty simple, so stick with me here. I'm gonna put these two together. So I'm gonna put the front and the back together first. And it honestly just clicks in. Like, it's not too difficult on that end. You guys will hear a snap. There we go. Now obviously I got this side to do, so I'm just gonna plug it in like that. So now, as you guys can get the idea, this is somewhat of a full-fledged helmet. Now, a lot of you guys, if I'm putting this on wrong, you guys drop in the comment section down below. Make sure every corner and such snaps in, and voila, ladies and gentlemen. This right here, as you guys see it now, is actually not gonna look anywhere close to what it looks like right now. And if you guys are interested in me making a video of what this particular figure actually looks like when it is fully custom painted, then drop in the comment section down below. And again, if you guys would, make sure and smash the thumbs up button on this YouTube video, because it does actually, in fact, help the YouTube algorithm. And Lord knows I need help with the algorithm. Again, ladies and gentlemen, the reason I love this is because of just all of the curves and the artwork and the thought behind the Stormtrooper and really why they do what they do. What's the purpose that they had in the movie? And just look at this. Like, it's a beautiful, this right here is like driving a Ferrari, okay? In the art sense, there's so many curves, there's so much things to go on. When an art person looks at this, they can just see beauty. Like, it sounds super weird, but it's super honest. I'm excited. Now, I don't know what I should paint on this. Now, obviously, I'm not gonna be the one painting on this, but I'm gonna be the one telling somebody to paint on it. But sometimes when I do give this to artists, I just say, hey, whatever you like, whatever you think, I like this theme. If you wanna run with it, boom. Because everybody's thinking about something when it comes to this. An artist looks at these and is just like, man, I'm in. Like, I'm so down. Like, consider it done, right? And they just go off of what it is that their vision is and what they think is going to be the best look for this particular helmet. I love this. If you guys want me to do a video on after it's done, I will absolutely do that. But again, if you guys haven't already, make sure and smash the thumbs up button on this YouTube video. Drop in the comment section down below if you guys enjoy these unboxing videos. Now again, I know this unboxing video particularly was just my own Stormtrooper helmet. In fact, I wasn't even planning on doing it with this. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do an unboxing on this just to see how you guys enjoy this video. If you guys enjoyed it, drop in the comment section down below. And as always, make sure and smash the thumbs up button. Coda Ray did something crazy over there, and make sure and come subscribe. I'll see you guys in a future YouTube video.